Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley mobile. First, familiarize yourself with the intuitive touch controls. Tapping moves your character, and holding down allows for continuous actions like watering. The user interface is designed for easy navigation, with quick access to your inventory, journal, and map. Remember to save your game regularly by sleeping in your bed each night to preserve your progress and hard work, ensuring you never lose a single day's effort. Successful farming is key to your valley adventure. Always plant crops that are in season to ensure they thrive and yield the best returns. Efficiently use your tools, like the watering can and hoe, to cultivate your land. Keep a close eye on your energy bar, represented by a green meter. Performing actions depletes it, so eat food to replenish it and avoid becoming exhausted, which can negatively impact your next day. Beyond farming, Stardew Valley offers rich social interactions and exciting exploration. There are over 30 unique villagers, each with their own stories. Give them gifts and talk to them daily to build friendships. Venture into the mines to discover valuable ores, gems, and face various monsters. Don't forget to participate in the seasonal festivals, which offer unique minigames, special items, and opportunities to connect with the community. As you progress, consider advanced strategies to optimize your farm. Upgrade your tools at the blacksmith to perform actions faster and more efficiently. When starting a new game, you can choose from 5 different farm types, each offering unique benefits like more foraging areas or increased fishing opportunities. Personalize your experience by customizing your character's appearance and designing your farm layout to reflect your unique style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.